Today is Vaishak Mas, Krishna Paksha Amavasya, or it's rather Amavasya, Vaishak Amavasya, dark moon. And this is the Avirbhav Tithi of Srila Shukamuni, Srila Shukadeva Goswami, who spoke the Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Maharaj on the bank of the Ganga at Shukartala. And in the history we read in the Bhagavatam itself, there's a history about Shukadeva Goswami that he was in the womb of his mother, Padmavati, I think, yeah. And he didn't want to come out of her womb because he thought that he would fall into Maya, he would become attracted by the illusory energy. Oops. In the womb he was doing quite well. He rather liked it there. There's no bills to pay and no school. So he wanted to stay there. And apparently he was Brahman realized, they say, in the womb. So he didn't want to come out. And so he said, he somehow communicated to his father, Vyasadeva, if you can guarantee me that I won't fall into Maya or become attracted to Maya or illusory energy, when I come out, then I'll come out. So then he said, well, I can't do that. And then he said, well, if you bring Krishna here. So then somehow Vyasadeva was able to bring Krishna there, and then Krishna spoke to him in the womb, which indicates that a child can hear in the womb. They say that the baby can hear at 7 months. He becomes conscious. Of course, he's always conscious. If the jiva is there, it means conscious. So even from day one, there's conscious. Consciousness means conscious, awareness, identity. But the ability to actually hear, which requires ears and some nervous system and brain, that aspect of the body, it becomes operational at 7 months, after 7 months of pregnancy. So they say that the child can hear, so it's very important for the lady to always be speaking Harikatha or hearing tapes, not with earphones but with speakers, so the baby can hear also. And that way it can even shape his mind, although he has his destiny. Janmaishvarya Shuta Shribir. There's some verse that explains about the inherent qualities that the jiva carries with him from his last life due to his karma. These are the karma fall. And those things really don't change.